Hello everyone, Namaste. Myself Sanjay Lamthamang. Today I bring for you all roasted pumpkin soup recipe. Please do watch video until then. Follow the ingredients and instruction. Enjoy with your family, friends at your home, or you can use this recipe to at your work. धेरै दिन बाद सबैजनाले आज पनि तपाईँहरू माझमा मैले रोस्टेड पम्किन सुपको रेसिपी ल्याएर आएको छु। हजुरहरूले यो रेसिपीलाई फलो गरेर आफ्नो घर परिवारसँग पनि इन्जोय गर्न सक्नुहुन्छ, साथसाथै आफ्नो कार्यक्षेत्र पनि प्रयोग गर्न सक्नुहुन्छ है त। A classic roasted pumpkin soup recipe is smooth, rich, and perfect for restaurant service, cafes, or hotel buffet. Roasted pumpkin soup yield 4 to 5 serving. Ingredients for roasting: pumpkin peeled and cubed 1 kg, olive oil 2 tablespoons, salt 1 teaspoon, black pepper half teaspoon. Soup base: butter or olive oil 2 tablespoons, onion chopped 1 medium, garlic chopped 4 cloves, vegetable or chicken stock 750 ml, fresh cream 100 ml, nutmeg grated 1/4 teaspoon, cinnamon powder 1/4 teaspoon optional, salt and black pepper to taste. Method: roast pumpkin, preheat oven 200 centigrade, toast pumpkin with olive oil, salt, pepper, roasted 30 to 35 minutes until soft and caramelized. Roasted enhance sweetness and depth. Prepare soup. Heat butter or oil in a pot. Saute onion until translucent. Add garlic. Saute briefly. Add roasted pumpkins. Pour in stock. Simmer 10 minutes. Blend. Blend until smooth using hand blender. Add cream, nutmeg, cinnamon. Adjust seasoning. Final texture. Simmer 2 to 3 minutes. Adjust thicken with the stock or water. Chef tips: roast till slightly charred edge. Use fresh nutmeg for aroma. Cream can be replaced with the coconut milk. Garnish improve presentation. Garnish ideas: pumpkin seed, cream, swirl, croutons, olive oil drizzle, herbs, fresh herbs, thymes, and or parsley. Variation: vegan pumpkin soup use coconut milk. Spicy pumpkin soup, add chili flakes or paprika. Pumpkin and carrot soup, mix both vegetable, Thai pumpkin soup, or add red curry paste, coconut milk. Commercial note: shelf life should be 48 hours, chilled, freeze oil up to 1 month. Soup base can be batch roasted. Thank you very much, everyone. Love you all. Please always do visit my profile. Have a look. Many more recipes are there and many more posts are there. If you have any concern, do not hesitate to send to me message or comment any of my posts. धेरै धन्यवाद छ सबैजनालाई। जहिले पनि तपाईँहरू मेरो प्रोफाइलमा भिजिट गर्नुहोला र मेरो सबै सोसियल प्लेटफर्म पनि तपाईँहरू भिजिट गर्नुहोला। इन्स्टाग्राम, टिकटक एन्ड युट्युब सबै च्यानलतिर भिजिट गर्नुहोला भन्न चाहेँ मैले। त्यही नै हो, जहाँ हुन्छ जता हुन्छ स्वस्थ रहनुहोस्, मस्त रहनुहोस्, व्यस्त रहनुहोस् र आफ्नो जिन्दगीलाई चाहिँ खुलेर जिउन नबिर्सनु होला। सी यू नेक्स्ट इन द भिडियो। लभ यु अल। चाउ।